Good afternoon, Jace Thomas here, Business Manager, Granite Nissan here in Rapid City.
And I'm Jason Sillens, Business Manager for Buick GMC.
Today, got Finance Friday, talking about why you should finance at the dealership instead of maybe do it yourself. So the first reason, of course, being we have multiple different lenders that we work with every day, so we get extra promotions, and we have lots of different term options for you, and then of course the biggest deal with that being interest rates. So you make sure you're getting the best deal. If you go to your bank, they tell you what your interest rate is going to be, and you never really know if that's fair or not. Where at the dealership, we can shop that a little bit and make sure we get you a competitive rate so that you are saving the most amount of money possible.
It's very important. The other thing is, even if you are pre-approved with a place, a lot of times we actually use that financing option, so it saves you time, saves you gas money going back and forth. So really in this day and age too, time is very, very important. So we're here to help you in all of those sides of the deal.
Yeah, a lot of people think, they are at the credit union or whatever, and they have to go to the credit union and get the check and get the finance. There's a good chance that whatever the credit union is, that we have them here, and we can just do it in-house, preventing you from having to drive back and forth. And somehow there being a little miscommunication somehow and something getting messed up in the paperwork process, which is pretty easy to do, but of course that's eliminated when we can do it all here. What other reason would you want to finance?
Well, sometimes as a dealer, we have what's called a captive lender. So what that is, if we do a lot of deals with them, like for instance, at Nissan, it'd be a Nissan Motor Acceptance Corp. At GMC, it's GM Financial. But they give us different helps, I guess, rebates, things that sometimes you don't qualify for at your bank. So when we have that, we can offer that, pass it on to the customer. So
and sometimes they have special interest rates too, so that isn't available anywhere else. So 1.9% or even 0% every now and again, we have those options. So when those come up, obviously you have to do that through the dealership, through the captive lender, and it helps save, obviously. Money is what's important to the long run.
That's what we want to do, is save you money, and believe it or not, that's truth.
Yeah, absolutely. Anyway, we'll see you next week.